Adding a status on WhatsApp is a fun way to express yourself and share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with your friends and family. You can use it to share photos, videos, and texts to keep them updated about you. It's a great way to keep in touch and stay connected with your loved ones, no matter where you are. Open WhatsApp on your phone. On the main screen, tap on the Status tab located next to the Chats tab. Once you're on the status screen, tap on the Add button or the My Status button, depending on your phone model. You can now take a photo or video using your phone's camera, or select an existing photo or video from your gallery. Once you have chosen the photo or video you want to use for your status, you can edit it by adding text, emojis, or drawings. After editing, tap on the Send button to upload your status. Your status will be visible to all of your contacts for the next 24 hours. There you go. You have successfully added a status on your WhatsApp. To view who has seen your status, you can tap on the eye icon located at the bottom of your status.